Good day, crypto enthusiast. I'm thrilled to chat with you all about a remarkable crypto trading platform that has been making waves recently.
But first, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You do not want to miss any of my future tips and crypto insights. Alright, let us dive in. We all know that crypto trading is quite the adventure. The markets never sleep, there are more coins than you can count, and trying to stay on top of it all can be overwhelming, especially if you are new to this field. This AI trading assistant is an absolute game changer. It is not just any auto trading tool. It is like having your very own crypto mentor, helping you refine your strategies and gain insights that are simply extraordinary. And here is the best part. You can start experiencing these benefits right away. There are 300 free registration slots available, but they are going fast. I have put the official link in the description below. Grab your spot now. But stick around.
I'm about to reveal some game-changing features you will not want to miss. Firstly, it is incredibly user-friendly. We are talking about a sleek interface that works on any device and is web-based, so you can access it anywhere with an internet connection.
But it is not just aesthetically pleasing. This bot is exceptionally intelligent too. It uses advanced AI algorithms and technology to analyze the markets, identify trends, and provide you with detailed analysis to optimize your trading game. And here is the best part. It adapts to your skill level. Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned trading expert, the settings are fully customizable, and you can even test things out risk-free in demo mode before going live. This platform supports all the major cryptocurrencies you know and love. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, you name it. Registering an account is a breeze. Just head to their website, create an account by filling out details like name, email ID, and contact number, which takes about 2 minutes, deposit at least $250 to fund your account, and you are ready to go. There are no deposit or withdrawal fees, and you have complete control over your funds at all times. They offer top-notch security with advanced encryption, and you can make payments in whatever way suits you. Debit, credit, crypto, the choice is yours. Now, before I let you go, I have got to give you all a friendly warning. As with any popular trading tool or platform, there are bound to be shady copycats and scammers trying to cash in on the hype. I have seen plenty of fake clones popping up, promising the world, but really just trying to trick you out of your hard-earned cash. Listen up, fam. Do not, I repeat, do not fall for any of these scams. They are not worth the risk or the headache. The only legit source is the official website, and you better believe I am dropping that link in the description below. Use that link and that link alone to create your account. Do not let these scammers ruin the party for you. Once you are all set up, simply tell the bot what level of assistance you need and let it work its magic. It will analyze the markets, execute trades, and give you a significant edge with all its analysis tools. This platform is a total game changer, whether you are a fresh crypto noob or a seasoned trading pro. So, guys, are you ready to make some serious profits with it? Click on the link in the description below and start trading now. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, hit that like button to show some love, and get ready to see some impressive profits rolling in.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.